Hi, this is Lee from coloringqueen.net, and I've got a review of Colour Me Mindful, and this is a series of books, and this one is the Birds book, and this is a small little book. It's about 6.5 inches by 6.5 inches. Throughout it there's 50 beautiful illustrations of birds, and you can see that the pages are double-sided. And I've mentioned on other videos that with this series of books, although the paper quality is really good, I wouldn't use markers with this book. I've tested it on one of the small pages, and although it didn't bleed through, it certainly did show through on the other side. So if you had an image that you really liked, either colour it in pencil or gel pens, or just choose which image on which page to colour in, or photocopy one of the images if you want both of them on both pages. So there's some cute little drawings here, and some of them have some blank space in them where you could add your own detail if that's what you wanted to do, and others have some complex detail, so they'll give you plenty of colouring in time. I love these small books because you can pop them in your handbag, and when you're out and if you're waiting for something, you can just whip out your pencils and start colouring in.